Hello and welcome back to the channel. G here, back with another video. I was always wondering, can I fix it? This is aluminium. It belongs to Toyota Yaris. And the reflector of the fog light is completely oxidized. My idea would be to sandblast it and powder coat it with the chrome paints. We will see how it goes. First of all, I want to remove the glass. Really heavily affected. I will dry blasted it and wet blast it, vapor hone it. I don't think it's going to be visible, so I will skip it. After dry blasting it, metal is heavily corroded. New. Obviously it's not going to be like new, but in the pits they didn't said anything about the oxidation of the fog light, so it's just an experiment. First of all, I want to use black paints, black powder, and then silver. No, this is silver metallic paint. This is not the one. Chrome effect silver. So black and chrome effect. Interesting finish. Very difficult. This time I will use my Nordic pulver, as this is very difficult to apply. I have no doubts that it's going to be useful in the future, but not today. To the bakery. Minutes at 180 degrees. Let's have a look at it. Doesn't look too bad. Actually, I like what I see. Can't wait to see the results. It would be so much better if there would be no oxidation, as the chrome effect pretty nice. I do like it. What do you think? Maybe a good idea was to pre-bake it. Still, I am happy with the result. I was curious, is it going to shine normally? It's really bright. Yes, the defects are visible very clearly, but I think it shines. It shines even better than this fog light. I will do this one as well. Much less affected. Definitely it does look better, but with this condition of the reflector, I don't really understand how was it passing the pits, because they gave me a pass to use it. So I want to this time only vapor blast it, pre-bake it, and then apply the chrome effect powder. Let's see how it goes. After pre-bake, it does look much better, just because of the oxidation damage. I'm pretty sure it's going to look better, and let's see. This is fantastic. My expectations wasn't so high. Yes, the surface that was affected by corrosion is again pretty, not pretty, but the rest of it, the finish is amazing. Huge difference. It is not as new, but nearly. I just can't believe that it went so good. I am completely stoked with the result, and it's above my expectation. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.